Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we're going to draw and color Pocoyo in a happy, healthy tooth.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw Pocoyo. I draw his eyes, his little nose, and his smiling mouth. And then the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. He has a doctor's mirror on the top of his head. Cool! Let's draw his body and his arms. He is wearing a dentist's gown. Now let's draw a big happy tooth next to him. I draw the eyes and a smiling mouth for the tooth. Finally, I also draw a big toothbrush on the top. Excellent!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Now I'm going to color the skin of Pocoyo with this cream marker. Then light red for his mouth. For the mirror, I use gray. And brown. His outfit is blue, so I'm going to color his clothes with this blue marker. Yellow. The tooth is going to be white and shiny. I paint his mouth light red. Finally, I color the toothbrush with orange. And cream. I like it!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.